Hello again, everyone. I'm out in the barn today. I'm going to check on the Barnswallow Nests and see if there's any babies up in there or if it's still just an egg type situation. I'm not sure. Here's a nest. No eggs. So that's a dud. Okay, we will try a different one. That must be a nest from last year. So we'll move the ladder and try that one. Okay. It's a real tight space between the top of the nest. I don't know if I can see in there. I have no idea what you're seeing. I don't know if there's anything in there or not. I can't get my head up there. So, we'll continue on. I'm pretty sure there's some eggs over in that one, but that's going to require me to move Tuffy. So Tuffy has some sore feet, so he's on bed rest right now. Stuck in the stall all day and not very happy about it. All right, hold on there, pal. All right. I know that camera work was kind of rough, but I'm moving the ladder and hanging onto a phone at the same time. Oh my. Whoops. See, that mama just came out of her nest. She's probably going to be pissed. Okay. I don't know if you see anything or not, because I can't see anything yet. No, I'm up high enough. Another one with nothing. So, it must be on the quad side. So I got to come down. You can see they've been sitting up on that nest because all their poop's going down here. All right. I'll get a little bit closer to this wall. Okay, I'm guessing there's something in there, but I can't see. But once I stop the video, I'll take a look and I'll know like you guys. Parents are flying around in here, so they're a little disturbed, but fear not. They are used to me out here. They see me every day 3 or 4 times. And these are actually the same birds. They come back every year. That's kind of how they operate. So they're used to me. And almost every year, I'll find a baby bird or two that tried to fly that wasn't quite ready yet. and they'll be on the ground, and if I catch them before the cats do, I just put them back up into a nest. Usually they need another 12 hours, 24 hours, and then they're good to go and they take off. So I think they'll give me a pass with looking in their nest. All right, I hope there were some eggs in that last one. I won't know until I get a chance to look at the video. That's it for now.